Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to replace a keyboard from a laptop. All you need is just a screwdriver, and all you need to do is just follow me. You have to unplug the keyboard using the screwdriver. Sorry, my laptop making noise, so I just turned off my laptop. So you use the screwdriver, start from the corner as you can see here. Make sure this is a Acer laptop. Just lift the keyboard with the screwdriver. Do it gently, make sure don't break anything. You have to use your two hands, otherwise you will struggle like me, Let me do it with one hand and I'll show you step by step how to do it. So accidentally I have turned on my computer and it makes noise, so I'll turn it off again. So now all you need to do is to lift the keyboard. As you can see, there is a clip on it. So, I don't understand why. As you can see, the ribbon cable is connected to this clip. So all you need to do is to unplug this clip and remove the ribbon cable. So my keyboard is working. So if your keyboard doesn't work, then you have to order a new one and then do the same thing again. All you have to do is to do the reverse process now. You have to connect the ribbon cable, make sure it's right way around, close the clip, both sides you have to close it, and then make sure, just look how I do it. You have to do this, then just, that's all everyone. Thank you for watching. On my next video, I'll try to fix my laptop noise. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.